Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for July 28th to August 9th. For the period for the 28th to August 1st, this is what we're forecasting. We have a weak trough over the northwest and the northeast, and a ridge would be over the southwest that'll build a strong ridge. 594 DM moves into the west central states. And we'll see that as we go through the period. And you can see various strengths, but it remains fairly strong by most of the models. The southwest will experience bouts of monsoonal activity as moisture advects around the upper ridge. A slow front over the Gulf of Mexico to Florida will enhance convection potential into early next week, and fronts will traverse the northern border through the forecast period, rain and storms. July 31st to August 4th. The flow remains generally unchanged with a weak trough here across the northwest and over the east. And we have a ridge in between or across the west central states. 594 DM, and the models remain in good agreement with this as we go through the various models. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures generally for the whole nation. I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal, mainly in the west, near normal elsewhere, maybe closer to 2 along the east coast. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region here and for this area. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and the greatest anomalies will be across the east, or the greatest potential for below normal precipitations in the east. And we have above normal precipitation for this region here and for the southern Rockies, and the probability of occurrence is about 40%. Now we get to August 5th to the 9th, and the models are pretty good agreement during this period. Forecast an amplified flow, still have a strong ridge here over the west and a trough here in the east. So models are good agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures again for the west, and I'll forecast anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal, and below normal temperatures are forecast for the east with anomalies of near 2 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation here and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%, and then below normal precipitation forecast here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. This is a long range weather forecast discussion for July 28th to August 9th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.